Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on I-29 North as well as US 81 North in Roberts County, South Dakota. We begin at mile 218 and we're nearing the end of South Dakota. Exit 224 leads to the town of Peever to the east. Peever was laid out in 1898 and named for F.H. Peever, an early settler. The town had an estimated population of 164 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Around this point, the Minnesota border makes its closest approach to I-29 in South Dakota. The border is just 6.5 miles to the east. South Dakota Highway 10 crosses I-29 at exit 232, with the city of Sisseton to the west and the city of Browns Valley, Minnesota to the east. Sisseton is the county seat of Roberts County, was incorporated in 1907, and has an estimated population of 2,398 today. Sisseton is home to a number of attractions, including the Nicollet Tower, and is near the Song to the Great Spirit building on the Sisseton-Wahpeton College campus. The city is named for the Sisseton division of the Native American Sioux. It also serves as an important part of the Lake Traverse Indian Reservation. Here, between mile marker 234 and 235, we cross the Northern Continental Divide, moving from the Gulf of Mexico watershed to the Hudson Bay watershed. Theoretically, a bucket of water poured out on this line would flow in two separate directions, with half eventually reaching the Gulf of Mexico and half reaching the Hudson Bay in northeastern Canada. We come into yet another construction zone and a 65-mile-per-hour speed limit. The construction here seems to be total replacement of the northbound roadway. Exit 242 is unnamed, and not just because of the construction zone. Even before the construction, this exit was just a number. The highway that crosses here is listed on maps as 110th Street, and it carries County Highway 23, but there are no named places to the east or west of here. We conclude today's video at mile marker 245. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.